So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to lay out the Public Land Survey System unit boundary as described for lesson 4. And this map's a little bit confusing to read just because all the lines are only in black and white. Well, there's white space, but black lines. And it's hard to decipher these are UTM lines drawn in here, which kind of throw off the township and range. So not a great map to start with, but sometimes this is all you're given. So the first thing I want to do is lay out this yellow boundary, which would be the section 5, because all of our ownership falls within section 5. So I want you to note that this mark here, the 20 chain mark above your legend, is actually it's depicting where the public land section system is. So this is section 5 above here, above this little plus mark here in the corner. So the biggest thing is to determine, well, is it that line or is it that line that we're actually referencing? And if you look, there's a little plus there, which can kind of help you, but you might have missed that, and it's easy to do. So if you got to recall though that a section is 80 square chains. So basically what we need to do is just make a little scale, and I'm going to do that with just a blank piece of paper that is 20, 40, 60, 80 square chains. And so if I lay that out on my map, that's going to give me this west edge. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You can see mine's slightly off, and that's totally fine. So I'm gonna make a mark out there, kind of in this white field, and then a mark down here as well, and then draw those across and connect those two lines to make my section 5. And then from that, the biggest thing you're going to need to do is break it down into the quarter sections, I think. So starting kind of in the middle, basically, you can use your scale again. So draw down to the 5 and then lightly connect to get your northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest quarter sections. And then from that, we need to just read the legal land description that I've given you. So we're going to be looking for the west half of the northeast quarter. So we're going to start up here in the northeast quarter. So northeast quarter, and we're going to have the west half of that. So it's this larger rectangular square. And then we're going to read down to the next one, and we are looking for the west half of the southeast quarter. So we're down here to the southeast quarter, and we're looking for the west half of the southeast quarter. And then on to the next one, we're looking for the east half of the northwest quarter. So we're up here at the northwest quarter, and we're looking for the east half. And then the last one would be the east half of the southwest quarter. So again, southwest quarter, east half of the southwest quarter. So those first 4 legal land descriptions are going to be this block ownership, kind of the center section out of section 5. And now we get to the last 2. So the last 2 say the east half of the northwest quarter of the northwest quarter. So we're going to start out in the northwest quarter. So we know we're up here, and then we're going to go to the northwest quarter, which would be this piece right here, and then we're going to be the east half of that northwest quarter. So that'd be just this little piece right here. And then the last one reads the east half of the southwest quarter of the northwest quarter. So we'll be back again in the northwest quarter, and then from that we're going to be into the southwest quarter, and then we're going to be the east half of that. So these 2 would be our last 2 written legal descriptions there. So that'd be 5 and 6. And then we'll just follow that outline to get the overall unit boundary of the ownership. So you should have some square with a little window edge off the side of it. And that's what I'm looking for, is you to design a road system. You should note here we have an existing road here, and we have a bunch of existing roads over here. So really we just need to put in a road somehow that's going to connect those 2 points. So hopefully that helps you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me this next week.